There was a ton of hype around the redesign for the 4th Gen Tacoma, and all of us here at Diode were equally as excited for the much needed refresh. And that's why we decided to add one to the Diode fleet. Our engineering team hit the ground running, tearing it apart the day we took delivery, and quickly developed 6 new Stage Series lighting kits. Hey everyone, CJ here, and today we'll be taking a closer look at all these new kits. Our Stage Series lineup is a popular choice for Tacoma owners like you for good reason, with its market-leading performance, unmatched durability, and US assembled construction. Each Stage Series beam pattern was designed with optical simulation modeling to shape the output into a highly functional and application-specific beam pattern. Each of these kits and the pods used are designed, tested, and assembled by our world-class team right here at our facility in the US. They bolt on directly to your truck's factory mounting points and are all backed by our 8-year warranty. Now let's get into these new kits. The first opportunity for improvement that we noticed about the new Tacoma was the factory fog lights. Our SS6 fog light kit not only gives you better visibility in inclement conditions, but it also gives you the option to change to an amber light. It was designed to be a bolt-on, plug-and-play replacement for the factory fog lights. You have your choice of either cool white or amber. This kit easily outperforms the OEM LED fog lights equipped from the factory. Moving up the hood, you'll find our Stage Series ditch light kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of SSC2 pods or SS3 pods to the A-pillar location of your truck. This kit uses factory mounting points, so there's no need to grab a drill to install this, and you won't experience any annoying vibration like other kits on the market. Each option comes with a combo optic to provide you with a high-intensity output downrange, as well as added fill light in front of your truck. This kit is also available in cool white or selective yellow. Around back, there's 2 reverse light kit options you can choose from. First is our dual pod reverse light kit. This allows you to mount a pair of SSC1, SSC2, or C1R LED pods underneath the bumper. This kit uses factory bolts, providing additional red running lights, high-power reverse lights for backing up at night, and an optional strobing forth brake light if you opt for the C1R. This kit connects to the 7-pin trailer harness connector for an easy plug-and-play install. Our second reverse light option, our ultra-popular HitchMount LED pod. This allows you to mount one SSC1 or C1R LED pod into the 2-inch receiver of your truck and can be easily modified to use a locking pin. Similar to our reverse light kit, this gives you a high-power reverse light for backing up at night, an additional red running light, and that optional strobing forth brake light if you opt for the C1R. Thanks to the snap-fit design, the hitch mount can be installed or removed in minutes and connects directly to your trailer harness using those same OEM connectors for simple, everyday operation. The last of these new kits for the 4th Gen Tacoma is our Stage Series bed light kit. This kit allows you to mount 4 single-color rock lights onto your factory bed rails, giving you an insane increase in visibility in the bed of your truck. All the wiring needed to install this kit is included, and to make this install as simple as possible, we use factory connectors to plug in line with your factory bed lights. Additionally, we've included a toggle switch so you can change from low power to high power. If all that isn't enough, we have additional options as well, like our Switchback HP24 turn signal bulbs that provide you with an updated cool white DRL in your factory headlights, doubling as an amber turn signal when the flashers activate. Our Stage Series rock lights are another great option underneath your truck for extra light on the trails, scene lighting, and more. If you're interested in any of these kits for your 4th Gen Tacoma or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.